What if I told you the most powerful tool for spiritual transformation is already beneath your feet? In the next few minutes, you'll discover a forgotten secret that will instantly heal your spirit and unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into sacred connection between nature and your spirit. Scientists call it grounding, ancient healers call it earthing, but what it really is magic. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to run outside barefoot. Let's be real. Modern life is killing our spiritual connection. We're bombarded with artificial light, concrete, and constant noise. Your spirit is starving for what's missing: nature. Science has proven that touching the earth reduces stress, lowers inflammation, and even boosts your mood instantly. But here's the real question. When was the last time you felt the grass under your feet? Everything in nature vibrates at a perfect frequency. Trees, water, even Earth itself emits a frequency that aligns your mind, body, and spirit. The ancient yogis knew this, which is why they meditated in caves and forests. But you don't need to retreat into the wild. Just 10 minutes in a park can transform your energy. The secret is simple. Reconnect to Earth's frequency and you'll feel the difference instantly. Now it's time to try yourself. Here is the 5-minute grounding ritual that will heal your spirit instantly. Find a quiet spot in nature, your backyard, a park, anywhere with grass or soil. Take off your shoes. This is non-negotiable. Bare skin connects directly to Earth's energy. Stand still and breathe deeply. And imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth. Feel the energy flowing upward. Express gratitude. Thank the earth for its healing energy. Journal your experience. Notice how calm, centered, and light you feel. This isn't just a feel-good activity. It's a must-do for anyone seeking balance, clarity, and spiritual transformation. Right now, we're living in a time where Earth's energy is more potent than ever. Missing out means staying in stress and imbalance, but just taking 5 minutes a day could completely shift your life. Don't wait, try it today. What did you feel when you tried this ritual? Comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe to LifeAlchemia for more transformative practices. Let your life be transformed.